Hello, this is Susan and welcome back to the Shreve, Crump Low YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at the H. Moser & Company Streamliner Center Seconds Green Dragon. As always, we ask that you like and subscribe to stay up to date on all our latest content. Leave a comment about what watches you would like to see featured next. H. Moser is a leading independent family-operated high horology watch maison. With their avant-garde modern styling and groundbreaking designs, they have pioneered a new era in the Swiss watch industry. While their heritage is firmly rooted in traditional watchmaking, the brand has taken many steps since to create an entirely new design language. H. Moser & Company was formally relaunched in 2005, led by brothers Ed and Bertrand Mélin. Fast forward to 2021, and we have a watch that has quickly become a standout in the H. Moser catalog. The Streamliner's iconic case and bracelet design was first seen on the Streamliner automatic flyback chronograph in 2020 and has now evolved to include this retro futuristic styled automatic time-only model, complete with center seconds. This Streamliner is known as the Green Dragon due to its matrix green fume dial. If you don't know, fume translates to smoked and refers to the gradation of color from the center to the outside of the dial. No one does this better than H. Moser. You may have noticed other brands have adopted this style, yet none have managed to compete with Moser's richly colored dials. In true H. Moser style, the movement underneath the beautiful dial is just as attractive. Powering this sleek timepiece is the caliber HMC 200. This time-only automatic movement pivots on 27 joules to supply 72 hours of power reserve. The finishing on the movement surpasses expectations and will have you mesmerized for hours. The 1930s vintage-inspired cushion case derives like design elements from the aerodynamic streamlining locomotive trains of the era. The streamlined trains were characterized by rounded, unadorned steel panels with broad horizontal lines that evoked a visual image of speed. They both feature the same rounded curves that emulate those of the trains that came to define the streamlined modern style of the 30s. The Streamliner case contains very few straight lines that come together to form fluid shapes of the case and bracelet that gracefully articulate around the wrist. The case flows organically into the integrated bracelet, each link flowing and contouring to the wrist perfectly. You will notice that the tolerances between links are so tight that there is no daylight showing through these pivoting links. This is a true testament to the build quality that goes into creating any aspect of an H. Moser watch. The fit on the wrist is sleek and comfortable at 40 millimeters in diameter and 11.8 millimeters thick. For a brand that only makes about 1,500 watches a year, each one must be perfect. Moser not only lives up to this expectation, but their level of customer service and attention to even the smallest details propels them into a near bespoke experience. If you are looking for a watch that is beautiful, rare, and fun, H. Moser is the choice to make. However, Moser's mantra of very rare holds true to form, especially for the elusive Green Dragon. Shreve, Crump Low is proud to be New England's authorized point of sale for H. Moser & Company. While this specific H. Moser Streamliner Matrix Green Dragon is sold, we have a number of other special and certainly limited H. Moser & Company timepieces available. We invite you to stop by our watch salon located in Boston, Massachusetts to experience these fine timepieces in person. Visit our entire selection of new and certified pre-owned timepieces on our website at www.shrevecrumpandlow.com. The link is below in the description. Thank you again for watching, and we hope to see you again very soon. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date on all of our latest watch content.